Woo. Hello guys, I cannot stop my excitement. I cannot hide this beauty from you. I have to share it with you guys. Look how beautiful roads under my legs, under my feet. I'm sorry, I forgot my English. I'm in a Spanish speaking country. I'm in Ecuador, South America. How beautiful my roads. Today I stuck in a jungle, in a selva. I totally scratched until blood all my legs and all my shoulders. I lost my way many times. I was climbing, hiking, and following disappearing trail. You can see this trail, yes? This small track which I found on one of the maps. I don't have a battery enough on my phone. I don't have a maps. I don't have a credit on my phone. I cannot call anyone. Don't do like me. Guys, right now in the center of the frame you can see fantastic mountain with the name Mandango, Ecuador. I hope I'm gonna be alive and I hope I will reach home today. This mountain situated near a beautiful village named Vilcabamba, province Loja, southern Ecuador. The mountain Mandango. I see house animals. Now the goats eating grass, which means I'm gonna be alive and I will find a way. Right now it's going rain. I'm alone. I don't have a warm clothes too much. I don't have a lot of food. I don't have any signals. I don't have any chances to ask for saving my ass. But I hope I will find a way home. Look how beautiful my roads which I'm going around the planet. Guys, I'm walking on the planet, around the planet, 8 years so far, and I have been in 80 countries. There is also animals. I think it's a cows, and there was a house of a shepherd, which means I have a house to sleep, to stay a night. But the night it's gonna be fucking cold here. It's gonna be very, very cold. By the way, if you're going to be in a Vilcabamba village, don't forget to visit Las Palmas Hostel, the best place with a swimming pool in this village. Las Palmas Hostel, Vilcabamba, province Loja, Ecuador. I don't have enough words to describe how beautiful and wonderful this landscape, this panorama, and this beautiful nature. The viewpoint in Spanish language is called Mirador. And I need to get down from these mountains before it's getting dark and before I get completely wet. There is going rain. There is a rain, clouds. Luckily, unfortunately, there is no thunder. I'm staying on the top of the mountain. It's very dangerous. Don't do like me. I'm totally bleeding. All my legs, shoulders, my knees, totally bleeding and scratched completely. I stuck in the jungles. I lost my way a few times. But I got here alone, without guide, without maps, without compass. Only by serendipity, one stupid map on my phone, my intuition and my legs. And of course my confidence. My extremely hard and unbreakable confidence. Guys, thank you for watching this fantastic video. Kiss and hugs for you all. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me a like, write me nice comments, share this video with your friends, make the bell in a black color and write me nice positive comments under this video, please. The best wishes from Ecuador. My name is Alex. You can call me Oleg sometimes. I'm a professional traveler, 80 countries background. And right now I'm traveling around the world 8 years non-stop. Most interesting to be continued. Guys, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me. Let's explore this world together. See you at the end of the world.